Good morning students. Today we are entering into a new chapter. In the last term what and all you have learned? We have learned to shapes, numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and in the last class we have seen to time. So today we are going to see from multiplication only. So chapter is more on multiplication. So what do you know about multiplication? The last time what and all you have learned? Have learned to multiplication facts, and you know the multiplication tables up to 15th table you know. So here that we have learned from tables of 2 to 15, and you know to multiply the numbers 2-digit number by a 1-digit number by using box method also you have found. So here also the same thing. Instead of that you are going to learn for 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. There you have seen to 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Here you are going to learn for 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. You know how to do for with regrouping and without regrouping. There also you have learned. Here also the same thing only. For 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping also you are going to learn. And for 2-digit number by a 2-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. And for 2-digit number by a 2-digit number we are going to see by using the box method, box multiplication method also we are going to see. And if the word problem is given means how to solve that problem in multiplication, that also we are going to learn here. So first we shall see to the story is given for you, that is Sarat's orchard. The mango trees, orange, apple trees are there in their orchard. Here in the summer season the mango tree has full of mangoes, so he packed the mangoes in the sacks. So in a small sack and in a big sack. There are 3 small sacks and 5 big sacks are there. In a 3 small sacks, in each of the sacks he filled mangoes, 132 mangoes in each of the small sacks. And in a big sack he filled about, in each of the big sacks has mangoes as 216 mangoes. So we are going to see to this only with regrouping and without regrouping how we can find the answer. So we are going to see to that. First of all without regrouping, and then we shall see to with regrouping. So the topic is more on multiplication. More on multiplication. So first of all we shall see to without regrouping. So first we shall see to the small sacks. In small sacks how many mangoes are filled? There are 3 small sacks. No? First write that 3 small sacks. 3 small sacks are there. In each of the sacks how many mangoes? Is 132 mangoes. Each sack. How many mangoes are filled there? Is 132 mangoes are filled. Now you are going to multiply the number. Here it is a 3-digit number and this is a 1-digit number. So first write the places. Up to hundreds you have to write. Up to hundreds place. Why we are writing up to hundreds? Because it is a 3-digit number. So write that number here. 2 in the ones place, 3 in the tens, and 1 in the hundreds place. And this is a 1-digit number, so you have to write in the ones place. Write 3 here, and now give the multiplication sign. So how will you multiply the number? You know, already know. For 2-digit number, how we have multiplied ones place and the ones place, and after that multiplying tens place and the ones place. The same thing only here also. Ones place to the ones place. First you have to multiply these 2 numbers. 3 2s are, or 2 3s are 6. You know the tables, no? 2 3s are 6, and then after multiplying the ones place and the ones place you have to multiply tens place number and the ones place number. 3 3s are 9, and then after multiplying the tens place and the ones place you have to multiply the hundreds place number and the ones place number. 1 3s are 3. So the answer is 396 mangoes. So how many mangoes are in the 3 small sacks? Is 396 mangoes are there. So this we have seen for without regrouping. This is one example. And now we are going to see for with regrouping. That we have seen the how many big sacks are there? 5. there are 5. In each sacks, how many mangoes are filled? 216 mangoes are filled in the big sacks. So how will you multiply? First, as the same thing, we have to write the place values at first. Ones, tens and hundreds. Now fill the numbers in the places. 6 ones, 1 tens and 2 hundreds, and then 5 here. Have to write the only one number here, so you have to write in the ones place. And for what you have to do, first we have to multiply these two numbers in the ones place number. 6 5s is 30. 30 is a 2-digit number, so you have to write outside. Where we have found in the ones place we have found, so you have to write from ones and then tens. Take the ones place number to the ones place here, 0, and then carry over this number here, 3. So this is mean by with 3 grouping. With 3 grouping means there will be carry overing of any of the number to the next place, and here there is no carry overing number, so that is mean by without regrouping. Here we are seeing 2 with regrouping. So here 1, here we have taken this 3 tens place to the tens place. Here 3 is taken to the tens place. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply the tens place number and the ones place number in the second here. So 1 and 5 is multiplied. 1 5 is 5. 1 5s are 5. And then what you have to do? You have to add this number. 1 5s are 5, and then you have to add that number to the number given here. 1 5s are 5 plus 3 after 6. After 5 is 6, 7, 8. So you have got the answer as 8. So 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. And then you have to multiply hundreds place number and the ones place number, 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. So we have got a 2-digit number. You can write outside like this way and give the hundreds place and the thousands place. Then you can carry over the number, or simply you can write the number 10 here, because it is a last number to multiply, no? So you can write simply like this 10, or else write outside 10. We already have found this answer in the hundreds place only, no? 100 and the ones place have multiplied. So we have got as 10, so write outside 10 because it is a 2-digit number. So write from the hundreds place. Next to hundreds, you know what's the place? It's thousands place. So you can take 0 to the hundreds place, and you can carry over the number to the thousands place. Write the thousands place and write below as 1. You will carry over this number 1 to the thousands, and you can write the number down. We can write simply like this 10 here. Why you can write 10 here? Simply because it is the last number to multiply. So you can write 10 as it is, as we have found the answer as 10. Or otherwise write outside, give the place values from hundreds and then thousands. Take the hundreds place number to the hundreds and take 1 to the thousands place. Carry over that number. Then you will get us 1080. So in the big sack, how many mangoes are there? 1080 mangoes are there. In the small sacks, 396 mangoes are there. Now we shall try to the exercise problem 7.1. Here first question is multiply. So we are going to multiply 3-digit number and a 1-digit number. So see to the first problem, 132 into 4. So here we are going to fill in the box. That is given here the 3-digit number is 132 and a 1-digit number 4. So what we have to do? First we have to multiply the ones place numbers, 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. And then we have to multiply tens place number and a ones place number. 3 4s are 12. So it is a 2-digit number. So you are writing outside as 12. Write the place value from tens because we have found in the tens place and the ones place we have multiplied. So we have got as 2-digit number, tens place and a hundreds place. So after multiplying in the ones place number, you have to multiply the tens place number from the tens place and the ones place. 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12 we have got. And then we have to take the tens place number to here tens place, 2 to the tens place, and here the hundreds place should be carry over. Here 1 should be carry over. So after that we have to multiply the hundreds place and the ones place number. Then we have to add the number that we have carry over number. First you have to multiply the number and then you have to add the number with this answer after multiplied. First we have to multiply the number in the ones place and then tens to ones and then hundreds to the ones place number. So multiply the hundreds place and the ones place number. 1 and 4, 1, 4 is 4 and then you have to add this number with that. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 528. First we multiplied in the ones place and the ones place and then tens and the ones. We have got 2-digit numbers, so we are writing outside. The tens place number should be written in the tens place. As we have found in the tens place, we have to start from the tens and then hundreds. So take the tens place to here and the hundreds place to the carry over this number to the hundreds place and then multiply these two numbers, hundreds place number and the ones place. So you have got the answer as 4 and then add this number, carry over number. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the way you have to multiply the number. And the next one is here 782 and here 3. 3-digit number and a 1-digit number. First you have to multiply ones place number and a ones place number. 2 3s are 6 and then 8 3s are 24. It's a 2-digit number. So write a 2-digit number outside where we have found in the tens place. While we are multiplying tens place and the ones place, have got 2-digit number. So you have to start from tens and then hundreds. Take 4 to the tens place and carry over 2 to the hundreds place. And now you have to multiply the hundreds place number and the ones place number. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. So the answer is 23. Since it's a last number, you can write like this simply, or you can take outside and give the place values and then carry over the thousands place and write down. So now we have got the answer is 2346. And next problem is 182 into 4. 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. First we have to multiply the ones place to ones place. So 2 4s are 8. Then 8 4s are 32. So it's a 2-digit number, so you are writing outside. Give the place values for tens and hundreds. Take 2 to the tens place and carry over 3 to the hundreds place. And now we are going to multiply the hundreds place number and the ones place number. 1 4 is 4. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. So now we got the answer is 728 by multiplying 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So the remaining problems you are going to do as your homework. In the first problem to multiply, there are rest of the problems are there. That problems you are going to do as your homework. And the second one, fill in the boxes to complete the multiplication sentence. So you are going to fill the boxes given here by using the multiplication sentence. Complete the multiplication sentence given here. Here see the first one, 102 into 0. While we are multiplying 0 to any of the number, you will get the answer as 0. While we are multiplying 1 to any of the number, you will get that number only as the answer. So here 0 is given here. So the answer is 0. While you are multiplying 0 to any number, you will get the answer as 0. And here see the next one, 562 into 1. So while we are multiplying 1 to any number, that number will be the answer. So answer is 562 as the answer. And see to the next one, 243 into 2. Here 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So write the places first, ones, tens and hundreds. Then write the number, 3-digit number first. 3 in ones, 4 in tens and 2 in hundreds, and then write the 1-digit number. So now multiply the number, ones place to ones place. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 486. Now see to the next one, 1 into 605. So while we are multiplying 1 to any number, you will get the same as the answer, 605. And see to the next one, 444 into 8. 3-digit number and a 1-digit number. So first write the places, ones, tens and hundreds. Write the 3-digit number 4, 4, 4 and write the 1-digit number next. and then multiply. 4 8s are 32. So write the 2 in the ones place. 3 should be carry over. How it has happened? It's a 2-digit number. 4 8s are 32. 32 should be written outside. Here you have to give the ones place and then tens place, because we have multiplied 4 and 8 in the ones place. So we have got as 32, which is 2-digit number. So you are writing outside and you have to start from ones place, because we have found in the ones place. So you have started from ones and tens. So you are taking 2 to ones place and tens place 3 to the tens place. So now we have to multiply these two numbers and then only have to add the carry over number. So 4 8s are again 32. So 32 should be written outside and then plus 3. Plus 3 is 35. First we have to multiply this number 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is 32 and here the number 3 is here. So you have to add that number. So 32 plus 3 is 35. So write 5 in the tens place. While we are writing 35, we have found in the tens place only, no? Start from tens and then hundreds. Take 5 to the tens place and then take 3 to the hundreds place. Now we multiply the number 4 and 8. 4 8s are 32. Again here 3 is here. 32 plus 3 is 35. So write 35 here. So the answer is 3552. So you know how to multiply the number. First in the ones place. So you have got a 2-digit number. So you are writing outside. Have to start from ones place. So ones place should be taken to the ones place and the number to the tens place. Next number to the next place. So after that, multiplying that and writing that, next tens place and the ones place you have to multiply. So you will get again you have got a 2-digit number. Then you have to add this number borrowed, that is a carry over number 3. So add those two numbers. After adding, write the places. Start from the tens and then hundreds. Take 5 here. Then carry over the number 3 to the next place, hundreds place. So now you have to multiply the hundreds place number and the ones place. So you have got the answer and then add with that number that you have carry over. No? With that number you have to add and then you will get the answer. Write the last. Write that in the last. So you have got the answer is 3552. So you write the answer here. So the next question is 943 into 0. So multiplying 0 to any number, you will get the 0 only. So 0 is the answer. Multiplying 0 to any number, you will get the answer as 0. And see to the next question. 112 apples can be kept in a carton. How many apples can be kept in 6 such cartons? So in each carton, 112 apples can be kept. In one box it can be kept. So here if there are 6 means how many apples will be there? How many apples can be kept in 6? In 6 cartons how much apples can be kept? That only we are going to find. So to find we have to multiply the number alone. First write the places, ones, tens and hundreds. So first we can write the number of apples in one carton, that is 112. And then you are going to multiply the number 6. There are 6 cartons, no? So write that 6 next. Now you can multiply these two numbers. 2 6 are 12. It is a 2-digit number, no? So you can take 2 to the ones place and 1 to the tens place. Because we have to start from the ones place, ones and tens. Ones place to ones, tens place to tens. So next you have to multiply these two numbers, tens place and the ones place number. 1 6 is 6. You should not write 6 like that. Here we have carry over the number. So you have to add that number also. 1 into 6 is 6 and then 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in the tens place. And now we have to multiply hundreds place number and a ones place number. 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6. So the answer is 672. So how many apples are there in 6 cartons? 672 apples can be kept in 6 cartons. So write that as answer. 672 apples can be kept in 6 such cartons. So this is the answer. So this is the way you are going to multiply the numbers. 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping, without regrouping we have seen. So do the sums. What are the sums that I have given homework to you? You are going to do that as your homework. Some of the problems I have written here, and the remaining problems you are going to try it in your home. So the next class we can see the remaining problems. Thank you, students.